10 on the SLO is very similar to number 9 in that you're really just solving a 3x3 system of equations, except number 10 is not nearly as organized as number 9 is. So to organize this, you just want to make sure that each individual equation is organized with all the variables on the left-hand side, and you want to go in alphabetical order. So we want the A variables to be first, the B variables to be second, and the C terms to be last. So actually this first equation is good to go. The second equation, though, really you can write that equal sign on either side. Since both variables here on the left side, I could really just rewrite this as A minus 2C with the 9 on the other side. If you want to actually subtract the A over and add the 2C over and then subtract the 9 over, if you had negative A plus 2C is equal to negative 9, this will work out just fine that way as well. So either way works. And then for this third equation, really all we have to do is subtract B over to the other side. So this one will look like 4A minus B plus 7C is equal to 17. From there you can write your matrix equation. So we're going to take this first row, or this first equation, and make it our first row. Now since there's no A variable, we need to make sure we put in a 0 where A would be, and then put a 3, and then your 5. That 7 is going to go in a separate equation, but you still want to keep it organized and make sure it's in the same row as the other parts of that equation. The second equation, the A minus 2C, that's a 1A, so we're going to put a 1 where the A is. There's no B in that equation, so we're going to put a 0. A negative 2 for C, and then it's equal to 9. And then finally, for this last equation, we're not missing any variables, so no zeros needed there. A 4 where the A is, negative 1 for B, 7 for C, and then 17 on the other side. And just like we did for number 9, we're going to type this into the calculator. So you have a 3x3 matrix here. You're taking the inverse of it, that's what that negative 1 is for, and again you can just hit the caret key and raise it to the negative 1 exponent. And then over here you have a 3x1 matrix. You're going to multiply that together. And again, just to reiterate, when you go back and look at this equation, or this formula, or this 3x3 matrix, everything in this first column is an A, everything in that second column is a B, and then everything in that third column is a C. When you type it into your calculator, and you have your calculator do the work for you, you end up with the equation, or the matrix 7, 4, negative 1. And order is very important here, because when you look at this, A is 7, B is 4, and C is negative 1. And sometimes you'll be asked to find all 3 variables. Other times you might be asked to define just one of them, but regardless, you find it the exact same way.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.